Mike's Tech Tips. I'm Mike Everhart, AMPIA, and the 2022 National Aviation Maintenance Technician of the Year. This presentation continues the Pre-Flight After Maintenance series with the left side of the fuselage and the tail. Let's look at the cabin door. Check the upper and lower hinges and also the latching mechanism. Walk down the side of the aircraft to the tail and check for loose fasteners. Check the left horizontal stabilizer, top and bottom. Look at the attach points of the left elevator for proper safety of the bolts. Move it up and down to check for travel and smoothness. Check the vertical stabilizer for any defects. Also check the rudder for freedom of movement, that it's hitting the stops. Also check the bolts for proper safety. And do the same on the other side of the tail. If you find any discrepancies during your walk around, let your AMP know before you fly. Remember, your safety comes first. Next time we'll cover the right side of the aircraft and the right and left wing. Until then, I'm Mike Everhart, and this has been Mike's Tech Tips.